Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are quickly diving into how to change the order of Trello cards within a list. This is a crucial skill to manage your workflow and priorities effectively. Firstly, find the card you want to move. This could be on any Trello board or list. The reason we do this is to identify which card's position needs changing. You can easily locate the card by looking at the card title or searching for it. Now that we've found the card, click and hold the left mouse button on it to grab it. This is how you pick up a card in Trello. The card will follow your cursor around as long as you maintain the hold. Next up, drag the card to the new position within the same list. You'll see a highlighted space where the card will sit when you release the mouse button. This helps us because it allows us to visualize where the card will land. Let me explain why this matters. The order of your Trello cards can illustrate project timelines, task priority, or the progress of tasks from to-do to done. Therefore, the ability to adjust this order easily will greatly streamline your project management. Once you're happy with the new position for your card, release your mouse button. The card will drop into the highlighted space, and this changes its order in the list. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello automatically saves this change, so you don't have to worry about losing the new order. The last step is to verify the new order. Simply glance over your list to ensure the card sits in its intended position. This step is important because it confirms the change was successful. And there you have it. You now know how to change the order of Trello cards within a list. This is a simple yet powerful way to manage your tasks and projects. Remember, the key is to click, drag, and drop. Thank you for watching. Stay organized and see you in the next video.